Top 10 toxic foods for dogs. Keep your furry friends safe. Dogs are family. We need to protect them. Understand their needs. Know what's poisonous. Harmless to us can be dangerous to them. Common foods toxic to dogs. Top 10 foods to avoid. Awareness keeps them happy, healthy, and safe. Let's go. Avocado might be good for you, but for your dog, not so much. This creamy fruit has persin in it. A little persin can cause discomfort for your pup. Upset stomach, vomiting, you name it. So next time you're enjoying guacamole, make sure your furry friend has their own treat. These little snacks, they can spell big trouble for your dog. Even a small amount can cause serious kidney issues. We're talking potential kidney failure. So keep those grapes and raisins far away. Onions and garlic, raw or cooked, are a big no-no for dogs. They can cause anemia. Chapter 4. Chocolate, a sweet treat. That's not so sweet. You've probably heard this before, but it's important. Chocolate contains theobromine, toxic to dogs. Vomiting, tremors, seizures, even worse. Chapter 5. Alcohol, no party for your pup. Never ever give your dog alcohol. It affects them more severely than it does us. Even a little can cause serious health problems, and in some cases, it can be fatal. Chapter 6. Xylitol, the hidden danger. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener found in sugar-free gum, candies, and baked goods. It can cause a sudden drop in your dog's blood sugar, leading to weakness, seizures, or liver failure. These nuts are tasty for us, but toxic to dogs. Weakness, vomiting, tremors, even hyperthermia. Chapter 8. Cooked bones, a recipe for disaster. Cooked bones can splinter, causing serious damage to your dog's digestive system. Stick to raw bones or dog-safe chews. Chapter 9. Caffeine, no buzz for your bud. Caffeine, it's in your coffee, tea, and energy drinks, and it's toxic to dogs. Restlessness, rapid breathing, heart palpitations. Not good. Chapter 10. Raw dough, a recipe for trouble. Raw dough with yeast? It can expand in your dog's stomach, causing pain, bloating, and discomfort. Plus, that fermentation process, it produces alcohol, which is a big no-no for dogs. Outro. Keep those tails wagging. So, there you have it. 10 common foods to keep away from your furry friends. Prevention is key. Keep treats out of reach and double-check ingredients. If your dog eats something harmful, call your vet right away.